Leaked previews have revealed that the upcoming PlayStation 5 Pro possesses an important upgrade that Sony hasn't mentioned anywhere in the console's marketing. While the PS5 Pro's public launch is slated for next week, certain retailers have prematurely shipped it to a handful of customers, through whom it's been discovered that the console's CMOS battery sees a nifty improvement over the base PS5. The PS5 Pro already boasts an extensive list of upgrades compared to the vanilla PS5, with the headliners being a 67% larger GPU, 10% higher CPU clock speeds, double to triple the ray tracing performance, and a brand new AI-driven image upscaler, dubbed PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution. The $700 price tag has been quite contentious, though, and so has the recently discovered incompatibility of existing PS5 slim console covers with the PS5 Pro. Still, there's a laundry list of enhancements on the PS5 Pro, and a new one has been unearthed. Back in 2021, there was a lot of talk surrounding the PS5's CMOS battery, a crucial hardware component that helps the system keep track of time and retain related information, even when switched off. Like all batteries, CMOS cells have limited lifespans of up to 10 years, and once they die, they could render the PS5 unplayable. Thankfully, Sony identified and fixed this issue in a PS5 firmware update, and it seems the company has paid special attention to the CMOS battery in the PS5 Pro as well. An early PS5 Pro adopter recently shared an image showing that the console has a slot to access the CMOS battery right below the faceplate, compared to the regular PS5, where the CMOS battery can only be accessed via the motherboard. The PS5 Pro's dedicated slot makes it far easier to replace the battery if need be. This feature was last seen on the Nintendo Wii and Wii U consoles and bodes well for the PS5 Pro's preservation and repairability down the line. Interestingly, Sony didn't mention this CMOS battery slot alongside the PS5 Pro's numerous upgrades and features, likely because it's a deep-cut specification that would appeal only to a niche subset of prospective buyers. Potential mainstream appeal aside, it's great to see Sony enlarging its focus on hardware, repairability, and preservation with the PS5 Pro. On the flip side, the lack of an included disk drive with the PS5 Pro sends the opposite message, even more so when attaching a separately purchased disk drive to the console requires an internet connection. Hopefully, Sony is cognizant of this glaring issue with game preservation and has a better modular disk drive system in the works for future PlayStation consoles. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Like the video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your support helps the channel grow.